On today's episode of MotoCheez.
Are you ready, kids?
The following movie is rated
I.
On today's episode of...
Stop it! Seriously, please. It's very annoying. Like, you have no idea how annoying that is.
On today's episode of
That's
MotoCheez.
really getting annoying. It's not even funny, it's just annoying.
Really?
Yeah, it is.
I love you.
Are you paying attention to me?
On today's episode of MotoCheez.
What's up, you cheesy bastards? Well, let me start off by saying this project's 4 years old. I started it September 1st, 2017. You guys that have followed all along know it's been way too long in this project, but I'm finally taking this thing out on the water, and we're going to see what it does. Thanks for being there, following along the whole journey of getting this thing done. Now, it's going to be our maiden voyage, so let's get to it. It's been a long time coming.
Well, we're waiting.
Making up the numbers for the hull. Got the old numbers off, new numbers are on. Got the LEDs all wired up, boys. Believe it or not, the wire was just perfect. I didn't even have to lengthen it, shorten it, anything. So whatever length this trailer is the exact length of wire that came with those Harbor Freight lights.
Remarkable. I says remarkable.
Remarkable.
Shut up.
I don't know how many of you guys saw this in the video when I did the underside of this, when I was showing my welds and all that. But there was a pair of pliers left on here from who knows how long ago. It was definitely a guy before me. They're stuck in there pretty good, but I gotta pull these out anyway. So I'm not done with the trailer. So, we're all ready. Got my temporary trolling motor, breakdown motor.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah, that'll work. I'll hook the Jeep up and go. Ready to go. Oh, we didn't check the lights, if the lights worked. Oh well. Made it. We'll let it float off. I'll leave the strap loose, and then better safe than sorry. I just loosen it up so if it does slide, it'll only go like that far. You go nothing. You want to undo that hook before it gets in the water? I gotta see when it floats too, so I know how far to put the trailer in. Right there. Well, it's floating good now. See how long it stays floating. Oops. Yeah, that worked good. Probably lose this camera. Probably load it up from flipping the motor up. I'm hoping once I use the steering wheel, because I greased it up, it was seized when I first got it, and I'm hoping once I use it enough, it'll be good, you know. They're not doing no wake, are they?
What's that?
I said they're not doing no wake, are they? They're making a wake. Oh, look at B. Where'd he come from?
Oh, look at B.
You know they make 450 outboards now? V8s.
For what?
I just wanted to see what I was going to do. Well, she floats. This thing hasn't been in the water since, I think it said 99.
And you got it off this lake, right?
No, I think it was Lake Zor. Motor still sounds good. Man, he's boogieing.
Is that thing still recording?
Yeah, I left it on. I think so. I don't even know if that thing works anymore. That one ain't recording, I don't know why.
Stay right to green.
Red on right returning, red on left coming out. Power of trim don't even lift it. Trimming, holding and lifting it. Pump don't have enough. Motor sounds like it's running good though.
Oh yeah.
I can hear it winding up, but it ain't lifting it.
Oh, what, hydraulic or something?
Yeah, this is all I care. I don't have to go fast.
You gotta have a fishing license on this thing?
There's Chicken Rock over there. There's a rope swing and a jump. You remember?
Oh, really? What I never been on.
That's all you see on the lake now is 90% pontoon boats. Now they're fast too, man. There was a pontoon boat on there the other day. That thing must have been doing 50 miles an hour.
Said some of them got twin something on them.
3 pontoons underneath. See how top speed. How fast you think we're going? See if we get some people jumping off Chicken Rock. Gee, there's an old pontoon boat. As old as this one, older. It might be about the same age. The one all the way on the right, you see it? Oh, they got someone can jump off. You want some? You don't want none. See, they take the waves pretty good, don't they?
That dry hole would have been like, wow.
Oh yeah, and a V-hull gets going like that side to side. This is plenty fast enough. I ain't even full throttle. 10 miles an hour.
You
don't get beat around.
I'm retired.
I want to see how much gas though. Oh, I don't have a gas gauge on that. Cruises. She'll do 15. Oh, she's flying. better back her down. See if it still idles. It don't idle great, but
Yeah, you turn the idle up, right?
yeah, no, I mean it's got like a little mist. The lower cylinder had less compression.
What's that, a twin?
Yeah, 2-cylinder. Well, that's good. I think it runs real good.
We ain't getting any closer to the water, are we? Nah.
Nah, we're good.
Gotta do a couple little touch-ups if you want to get done.
Yeah, I gotta fill those holes, see the water splashing
I
out.
know. What was there, a cooler or something?
Live well.
Want a pork chop?
Finally. Sure, I'll take one. Out in the water 3 years later. Holy cow. Right? Celebrate. The silver bullet pork chop.
Here comes the sun.
I don't promote drinking alcohol. But if you must. No, she's running good. I took a whole bunch of tools just in case too. I got this is full of tools. I got a little toolkit in there. If I trusted it more, like the next trip I might go. There's a spot that I go, but it's probably 5 miles from here. It's all.
How big is this friggin' lake?
It's like 20 miles long. I gotta see what the hell's up with this. The cargo bed? Chinese junk. Whew, the sun's warm, huh? It's my original.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Apparently it's not waterproof now, right? Being that you cut through the case.
Whoa. No, it's not. Just locked up or something. See if she starts.
Give her a shot.
Got a little bit of a miss.
Need a little love, that's all.
We might have to tune them carburetors a little bit more.
We gonna take them off? Or
Nah, there's adjustments on them.
you do it out of the water? Or? Yeah.
Yeah, just the idle.
Is private beach still?
Someone's swimming with them. That little guy in the kayak. Yeah. Power trim don't work, but I have to figure that out. Don't even really need it. Just to lift the motor up.
16 miles an hour?
You could get a little more speed if I could trim it out, but
Oh, we should have tried out the friggin'
control the motor.
yeah.
Huh. Yeah, I guess we could have. Oh well.
We got seatbelts in it? No, I wouldn't be in a seatbelt.
No.
Oh, just holding it down. All right.
Looks like fun. Look at that pontoon, man. That thing's all, it's got a hard top. There's one on here with a slide. Yeah, there's one on here with an upper deck, and it's got a friggin' water slide. Oh, it's still idling. Well, look at that. Huh, I wonder if I'm low on fluid. I don't see an oil slick. Maybe it's just low. Oh well. I'll see if I can back her down. Push her over more. We got her. Oh, it's going good. Yeah, a little more. It's going good. Oh, maybe not.
You gotta hit the bumpers there.
Yeah, it's straightening out.
Put some ass into it.
Uh-oh.
Alright, we gotta rig something up on that one, huh?
Yeah, I gotta put something there.
Alright.
It's either that or I gotta go in deeper.
Yeah, that's what she said.
That's my joke, damn it.
Oh, get it up out of the water.
No, you ain't never gonna be able to get it back. I gotta go deeper. I gotta go in about another foot, and it'll float up above it. Oh, you're holding it down now. Oh.
It's not a...
Yeah, I'll try to pull it now, once you're off of it. Let me turn it upside down. And maybe that'll do it. So it hits the back of the hook, maybe?
Alright,
I don't know.
something new.
Straighten it out, yeah. Now it should work.
Well, I mean, the back end isn't...
It should be.
Alright, go ahead. Alright, now it's coming back, so...
I'll go slow. It should lay in it. We'll see. Oh, it's close. There, it's on now. Now I gotta see if we can lift this motor up. Well, you have to stay down. Well, it went pretty good, boys. The only problem I have, trim pump's not working. We'll work on that. Till next time. So it looks like that JB weld that whoever had it before me did failed. So I still got my little extension rod as my post. Bushy said he's got one for me, stainless steel, so I guess I gotta pull that off and see if my buddy can weld it for me. Gary. Right, Gary? So apparently I got a hole in this pontoon. And we found it because it was dripping water, but it's right there. Gotta fix that.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.